This is more than a head of cabbage. This is probably about a head and a quarter of cabbage. But you will be absolutely shocked at what happens if you don't already know. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of salt. You might think that more salt would be better, but I've made this before thinking that more salt would be better. It was awful. It was not edible. So I'm going to follow directions much better this time, and I'll put you back on as soon as I get this going. Okay, so I do have a tripod. It's in my car. But you massage this cabbage with, I put a tablespoon and a half in because I know that was a bigger portion than one head of cabbage. I hope to God I didn't make it too salty, but it's just shocking how salty it makes it. That little bit of salt. Okay, so you get to really dig in here, but I cannot hold the phone and keep doing this, so I'll check back with you. I'm supposed to massage this for 10 minutes, and I think I've been doing it for about 2 minutes, so I'll be back. Okay, I've been massaging this cabbage for about 5 or 6 minutes. I just couldn't stand it anymore and needed to get some of this stuff cleaned up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to massage it probably for a few more minutes, but you can see the liquid coming out of the cabbage, and it shrank tremendously. So the goal is to get the cabbage limp, and then to have a lot of juice. So I do have a lot of juice, but I am gonna move it around a little bit more. Then I'm gonna put it in this jar. Once I get it in that jar, when I did this the last time, they said to weight it down, so I have a rock, and I saved some leaves of cabbage, and I'm gonna put that on the top. I'll show you when it's all done. All right, got the cabbage all in the quart jar. There we are. I tucked a lettuce leaf on top, put the rock on there. That is just a blemish in the rock. Seal it up, put it in a dry place for 5 to 10 days.